Hey friends, I have this silver honey here. It's hotspot and wound care. It says antimicrobial spray. Um, it says on the bottle that it helps stop 99% of bacteria and starts the healing process to start faster and heal faster. And it says that it is safe for all animals on the bottle. This is the 8-ounce bottle. It comes in a little spray hand. It has a handle here. The ingredients are clearly listed on the back. And what I do is I clean the wound for the animal and then I apply this and just kind of rub it in and let it dry on there. So it has, this one's a spray and then it has 2 off and then this one's kind of a stream. But even the spray isn't like a spray that you would think. Like it's not like spraying your Windex or something like that. So, and the color caught me off guard the first time. So as you can see, it's like a brownish gray color. And then it is kind of gel like, that like I can feel it there. I know you can't really see it, but you just rub it in like so. I find that it is helpful, and yeah, so there's your bottle.